So the P306 code came on, check engine light. When we scanned it, that's the code that came out. Engine was very rough, idling, almost shutting off in reverse. You know, cylinder down, said cylinder 6. So we swapped the coil to check, then the code jumped to the other coil. So we replaced the coil with a Carcraft, the cheaper one from Advanced Auto Parts. The code went away for a day, then it came back the next day. So when we took off the connector, all of this had broken off in there. So we bought this connector for an Advance, spliced it here, comes with the little connections. Put that on, and we did another test because once this was fixed, it still was giving the code. So the new ignition coil was bad, so I had to go return that. And now we have another coil, which was the premium, but it was Carcraft a little bit. It was $10 more, and you know, we just left it here because we swapped to test, and so far so good. The code is gone. No more misfire. So even if you get a new part, guys, I guess ignition coil, sometimes they come bad. It looked brand new, but it just was defective right out of the box. So if you do that, yeah, just make sure that that it's good, even if it's brand new. And be careful with these, because now this one, you see all the tabs are broken, and inside that plastic is breaking. Just old. This car, you know, has 168,000 miles. So I don't know if that would cause like an arc or a short too. So be careful when you're taking off and on, and inspect inside these plugs to make sure the plastic isn't breaking. So that's it. That problem's fixed. Now it's running good.